RDOG, Rip Dad's original group, original gangsters, the R Dogs, man. You guys are the first ones to come through the Rip Dad's program, and I don't think anybody could ever top you guys, man. The results that you guys have got, the commitment, the dedication, the way you've brought the unity together, it's just been incredible. It's been an incredible experience for us as coaches, myself, Coach Anthony, Coach Carlos, Coach Steven. We're so blessed to be able to work with you guys, and now we're going to have the opportunity to finish strong. And finishing strong is just, it's one of the core beliefs here at Way of Life Boot Camp. Finishing strong, no matter even if you didn't lose weight, even if you gained weight, we believe in finishing strong. How much that does for you as a person, your character development, the mentality of that, just to know you finish something from start to end is huge, So we got our final weigh-ins coming in. Come in, get those, get your after photos. I know some of you guys lost 5, 10, 20, 30 plus pounds, so congratulations. We got the basketball game coming up. We've got the awards night. Definitely got to be there coming up. With the awards night, come, bring your family. We want to showcase you and celebrate you because you've just done an outstanding job. Coach Anthony.
Of course, I mean, you said that perfectly. There's really not much more for me to say than say exactly what you said. Finish strong. That's what we need to do. And it's so important, just like Coach Forrest said, to finish something. Finish. Don't stop at the last moment. I know for myself, there's been times, and I get in a habit sometimes where I'll stop at the last moment with whatever it is. I can stop and maybe I needed to send an email and I didn't send that email. Or maybe I needed to do one more rep and I didn't do that rep. This is the time to finish, to trust the process. You guys inside of this, the Rip Dads program, it's been unprecedented, the amount of results that we've gotten. You know, Coach Forrest's been in this game for a long time, for 13 years. The Steve Jobs, the Bill Gates of boot camps. I've been in it for about 7 years, right? So we know what we're talking about. That's 20 years
Michael
combined.
Jordan of boot camps, right?
20 years of combined experience, right? And you guys have taken on the tools that we've given, plus with Coach Steven, 100 pounds gone in 1 year, plus with Coach Carlos, that won our 6-week transformation. You know, and you guys have taken in what we've said, and you created some huge changes. Now, you finish, but what happens after this, right? The next step is to come back into the program. Finish what you started. Continue to go on, because these types of results have came from pure accountability, right? Tip of the iceberg.
You guys have seen the tip of the iceberg and what you can achieve for yourself right here. This has been the foundational effort. You've lost those pounds, but there's so much more now that you've seen what's going on behind the program. There's so much more to it than just pounds lost. So we're going to go even bigger and better into this next cycle. We've got the seminar coming up this Friday, 7 to 8. We would love for you to come. Bring a friend. You know, if you want to be, we need 4 volunteers for testimonials. So live testimonials, because you know the power of that, the power of hearing it from somebody who's been through the program like yourself. And we're out to change lives. That's the name of the game for us. We wake up in the morning at 4 a.m. every morning to do that, is to change lives. And we want you to be a part of that now. Help us create that ripple effect. It's going to create stronger men, stronger communities, stronger families, and what we think is ultimately a stronger world. And we're all working together on this. We can't do it without you. So come on Friday night, 7 o'clock, bring a friend. Hopefully you can change their lives, because you know how it is, the gym. Oh, I'm getting my workout. I'm going to the gym. We all know you're going to the gym, but are you transforming, right? Are you getting the results that you deserve to get? And are you dedicated to something, to a process that's going to change your life? So that's what it's all about.
Yep, hey, Coach Forrest, it's just like you said, it's the OG program. You know what? We started this program, and this was only going to be a 3-month thing. That was it. But then we started to see what was going on. We started to see the results. We started to see the unity. We started to see the accountability. We started to see the push in you. And then we saw us as trainers, and we looked at as coaches and professionals and said, we have to continue this on. And me and Coach Forrest had a meeting, a long meeting on how we need to continue this program, right? So you guys are the OGs, and this program is going to continue on forever now because of the fact of the change that has happened. You guys started that. You guys made that happen. So you guys are in the Rip Dads Hall of Fame. But the next step is now to become leaders. And so that's the next step into the next program. How can we lead these other men to be able to not only get the results that you have, but some of the dads have talked about the unity. How can they gain the unity, right? to get men together. It's something that happens strong when men come together. I don't know what it is, but there's a special power, right? And that's what you guys have created. So you need to show that to the next Rip Dads coming up, right?
That's right.
That's your obligation. Yeah. We are blessed to have you. Rip Dads, finish strong.
All right, Rip Dads.
Woo! Get him.